Have you ever thought about starting a community garden? Community gardens are magical spaces that promote healthy eating, foster community spirit, and provide a therapeutic escape from urban life. Imagine having a space where you can grow your own food, meet your neighbors, and contribute to a greener environment. The first step to starting a community garden is to identify a suitable location. It's essential to find a place with ample sunlight, easy water access, and generous space for gardening. Repurposing abandoned lots or unused green spaces can also be a great option. Remember, the location of your garden can make or break your community project. Next, gather a group of interested individuals. The secret sauce to a flourishing community garden is a dedicated team, ready to devote time and effort. Rallying enthusiasm can be done through social media or local community gatherings. A committed group of individuals can turn an empty lot into a thriving community garden. With a location and team in place, it's time to plan and design your garden. Planning is crucial. It helps allocate space for individual plots, communal areas, and even composting spaces if needed. Think of your garden as a mini ecosystem. Everything has its place and purpose, contributing to the overall productivity. Eco-friendly materials are not only good for the environment, but also add a touch of nature's charm to your garden. Remember, a well-planned garden ensures everyone has their own space and contributes to the overall productivity of the garden. Now that you've planned your garden, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by preparing the soil, ensuring it's rich in nutrients for the seeds to take root. Planting comes next, followed by the essential tasks of regular watering and diligent weeding. Remember, a thriving garden doesn't happen overnight. It's the product of consistent care and attention. It may be hard work, but the flourishing greenery and the sense of community it fosters are rewards well worth the effort. A community garden requires consistent care, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Are you ready to start your own community garden? Remember, find a location, gather a team, design and maintain. Embrace the benefits of a thriving green space. Start your community garden today and transform your neighborhood into a greener, healthier, and more connected space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.